Okay, here we are, guys, with my very special guest, and it's none other than the talented Mark Angel, popularly known as Uncle Mark. Mark Angel Comedy. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Yeah, I am excited to have you here, and I'm sure the viewers are too.
I'm excited to be with you.
Yeah, I can see that. So coming here, I noticed something about you. You are very, very prayerful person. Like you take out time in your daily routine strictly for prayer. So I want to know how important it is, how important prayer is to us as human beings.
Well, it's very important to realize that we have a force that is greater than our being, and that force, whatever you call it, is God. And I'm a Christian, and knowing that I'm a Christian, I'm a born again Christian. So God has, Jesus promised that He's going to send us the helper, who is Holy Spirit. And so you must if you don't want to be drained, you must seek help all the time from the Holy Spirit. That is why it's important to always take out your time to pray and seek help from above every time.
So you got that. Prayer is very important. It's essential. So as content creators, you are very good at what you do. Absolutely. So what do you think is a very good quality for someone who is starting up as a content creator out there?
Well, there's no one way to do it all. Quality. As a content creator, you must focus on what you're creating, and you must understand the purpose for your creation. Just know what you're creating for. Why do you want to create? Why do you want to create? Are you creating because you don't have a job, other jobs to do, or you want to while away your time, or you want to be able to entertain people, or is it for voice? You want to gain a voice? You must know what to do, and then you have to dedicate and consistent. Dedicate and consistent with what you're doing. That way, there's nothing you cannot achieve as a creator.
No, that's true.
Learn every day. Learn.
Exactly. Absolutely. So as upcoming content creators like myself, what do you think are those challenges?
Are you still upcoming?
I'm still upcoming. Somehow. Those challenges that we might face coming up, and how do we kind of like suppress the pressure mentally?
That's why I said you have to know why you're creating, because one of the things that happen is we start creating and then we lose our purpose, and then start allowing pressure coming, especially pressure from fans, and want to impress our colleagues, and then we now jump into competition. So those competitions are unhealthy. It's okay to have sort of inspiration. It's okay to have sort of motivation. It's okay to compare your work with what is what is obtainable at the time, but to not dabble into competition. Okay?
Yeah.
Not dabble into competition, because that will just make you depressed. It will lead you to depression.
Yeah.
And that's something I have to say, and that is like the prominent thing that makes creators go into depression.
Yeah. Speaking of depression, do you think it's important that we take breaks, like in any line of work, not just this particular line of work? Like if breaks are very essential for our well-being.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I know. Some people don't know.
Of course, everybody should take break. Break is very important, not just for health, but for perspective. Most of the time when you take a break, you now start seeing things differently. So it's not something you can even negotiate. It's unnegotiable.
Okay. Well, that is nice. Okay. Lastly, I want to know what do you consider your major strength so far in this business?
My major strength.
Yeah.
Well, my major strength is the knowledge that the joy of the Lord is my strength.
Okay, he's very spiritual, which is what this whole thing is about, and it's important to be spiritual.
I have strength in teamwork. You know, that's one of my forte. You know, but that's my major forte, teamwork. And that's what I always fall back to when the headache starts coming. I went back to my team, and then that's one of the best things in the world.
No, yeah, I've seen them firsthand. They're the best test, if there's anything like that. Yes, they're the best. Well, thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. I think we've learned something today for those that are upcoming and those that are thinking of coming up and all that. So
Anything is possible.
yes,
You can achieve anything. And by the way, subscribe to this channel.
please subscribe. It's coming from Archangel. So yes.
So I don't have to work at it.
No, not yet. We're going to sign out. Well, thank you for having me here. I've been having fun since I came. It's been extraordinary. So thank you. And guys, please, my closing remark for you people is remember that the starting point, okay, of achievement is desire. So when one door closes, rush to another door. If it doesn't open, just kick it open, okay? And make sure you always stay true to yourself, okay? Until next time, I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll be seeing you again in another episode. So
Another trick to one door closing is always go around with hammer.
right.
So you'll be breaking
I
it.
forgot that. Please go around with hammer, but not hammer that can break somebody's head. It's like don't break somebody's head. All right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.